Hello learners, welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today we are going to look at long A.
A, AI, AY, EI, EIGH, EA, EY.
The spellings are different, but they all say A. Here are some words with A, long A.
Baby, lady, table, crazy, radio, tomato, potato. Here are some words with AI, long A. Rain, aim, sail, train, wait, waste, grain, afraid. Here are some words with AY, long A. Day, say, pay, clay, play, tray, away, today, relay. Here are some words with EI, long A. Beige, rain, rain, veil, vein, there, reindeer. Here are some words with EIGH, long A. Eight, neigh, weigh, sleigh, freight, wait. Here are some words with EA, long A. Bear, pear, tear, year, break, great, steak, swear. Here are some words with EY, long A. They, hay, weigh, obey, survey, long A, AI, AY, EI, EIGH, EA, EY. All have the long A sound A.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to check the description box and there you will find so many videos regarding English. You will find grammar, you will find phrases, and you will find phonics. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially for those who are just watching. Love and peace to all.